In this video, I'm going to show you how you can title the columns in Google Sheets. So normally, if you want to use any function over a specific column or the group of cells, what we do is that, for example, over here, I want to take the sum of all these numbers, the cells done by all salesperson. So what I can do is that I can write a function like this, sum, and then that range D30, D63 to D65, and that is the sum. But here the problem is that it is not user friendly, right? Because it is using this column number and or row number like that. So instead of that, what you can do is that you can give the name to this particular range. Okay. So I'm gonna give the name to this particular range by right clicking on this and then define named range. So I'm gonna put the name as sales, then click on done. And now what happens is that if you want to use that sum, you can directly use like this, sum of cells. Okay, like this. And now you can see the result is same, but it is more user friendly. Here it is showing sum of D63 colon D65, but over here it is showing sum of cells, and cells is actually the range for this particular column, cells. That's it. That's how you can title the columns in Google Sheets.